Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Hale from Property Brokers in Feilding. Situated behind an automatic gate with plenty of off-street parking, this low-maintenance, immaculate property is the perfect opportunity for those seeking an easy care or lock-up and leave lifestyle. Zoned for Manchester Street School and with Feilding's town centre just 750 metres away, this property is a rare find. I'm Stephanie Hale from Property Brokers in Feilding. Let me guide you home.